Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Parimala, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My section is Ferrari, studying first sem. Subject is Introduction to Civil Engineering. Topic: Energy Efficient Buildings. Energy efficient buildings. Introduction. Energy efficiency is the use of less energy in a building to perform the same operation as buildings that consume energy inefficiently. The efficient use of energy in buildings is one of the most affordable ways to lessen the detrimental effects of climate change, health problems, unemployment, and poverty. It reduces household expenses, infrastructure costs, and reduces CO2 emissions. The value of reducing energy consumption in buildings has increased worldwide. This is because buildings' operational energy has become the third largest consumer of fossil energy after industry and agriculture. Efficient energy consumption in buildings is one of the most affordable ways to lessen the detrimental effects, expenses, climate change, and health related problems. It reduces household expenses and decreases carbon dioxide emissions. As a result, the possibility of air pollution related diseases such as asthma and lung cancer will be reduced. Working of energy efficient building. The development of energy efficient buildings is most appropriate option for reducing the load of cooling and heating bills. Technically, skilled professionals should be hired for the designing and construction of energy efficient buildings in order to optimize the supply and demand of energy and to ensure the sustainable developments. If any old home is to be remolded, the first step should be home energy audit to prioritize the maximum improvements in cost-effective energy efficiency. Passive solar homes, solar radiations are captured by the south face glassing window and retained inside the material to store the heat energy, also termed as thermal mass. The properly designed passive solar homes also provide the daylight throughout the year and a comfortable environment during the winter season by using the nighttime ventilation. In energy efficient buildings, active strategies help to supply comfort conditions when passive strategies aren't sufficient. Here, the effective and energy efficient to get higher positions in the energy balance sub-contest. Ways to make building more efficient. An energy efficient building reduces the maintenance and utility costs, but in many cases improves durability, lessens noise, increases comfort, and creates a healthy and safe indoor environment. A further goal of energy efficient construction is to limit damage to the ecosystem and reduce the use of natural resources like energy, land, water, and raw materials. Reducing energy consumption is crucial because it means fewer emissions of greenhouse gases, a known cause of global warming. Energy efficient measures can be integrated into new construction or retrofitted into an existing building. Fortunately, there are many methods, materials, and resources to help designers, architects, contractors, and building owners move towards creating an efficient and high performance building. Implementing a whole build systems approach to a new construction is the most efficient way to achieve an energy efficient building. The old building approach treats the building as one energy system with separate but dependent parts. The design should be more effective use of water and electricity and other natural resources and energy sources. To minimize waste and materials, choose the smallest possible building for the intended application. Steps to be followed to create energy efficient buildings. Nearly zero energy passive building design. The design is of nearly zero energy passive building involves adopting all solar passive strategies at the design stage before actual construction begins. For instance, passive solar heating or cooling, building daylighting, and provision for rainwater harvesting. The passive building does not need complex design but requires knowledge of solar geometry, local climate, and window technology. The passive solar design strategies should be selected based on the climate condition of the project site. In the hot and dry climate, passive cool designing such as wall and roofing cooling, solar refrigeration and etc. Into the building. In cold zones, passive heat designing should be adopted such as air handling units, sun space, dome wall, etc. Utilization of low embodied energy building materials. The usage of low embodied energy materials for building construction is important for reducing the impact of global warming and making the building energy efficient. The embodied energy is the energy used by all the processes related to the construction material, mining, manufacturing, transporting, and administering. Some of the examples of low embodied energy construction materials are fly ash bricks, fiber refrons, and etc. and in factories. These materials are constantly becoming popular and widely used by contractors worldwide. Usage of energy efficient equipment, and this involves the building that requires the lowest positive energy such as LED lights, fans, air conditioners, refrigerators. Energy Star approved of fluorescent bulbs and highly desirable because they are more durable and their maintenance cost is 75% less than conventional bulbs. Moreover, using a light control mechanism improves energy efficiency because it automatically turns off the lights and eliminates the waste of energy. Finally, the use of thermoset to regulate heating, water, and room temperature. Integration of renewable energy technologies in different applications. These are the way to reduce energy consumption and reduce carbon footprint. Solar water heaters, small wind turbines to generate electricity, solar photovoltaic electricity generations are some of the examples. Another renewable energy sources like hydroelectricity, biomass, and biofuels can also be used. These are the offers great advantages such as cost effectiveness, sustainability, and security of energy supply. In addition to increased employment and long life for energy systems, it reduces the highly expensive the imported conventional energy such as oil, gas, coal, and nuclear fuel for the certain countries. Here is the conclusion wherein it is a wave of the future. The world is quickly moving towards energy sustainability. At the same time, the mankind is trying to re-establish the connection it once had with nature, and efficient home is a personal step towards the direction of renewable energy. And having such a home helps homeowners reduce their bills and provides an excellent investment. Furthermore, energy efficiency means healthier and more comfortable living that is in line with nature. Building or upgrading to the energy efficient home requires an initial investment that is higher than the cost of traditional constructed home. However, there are government grants and incentives that can help to get you started and offset the some of the cost. After you live in your energy efficient house for a few years, your upfront investment will be paid for yourself. This is all about the energy efficient buildings. Thank you for watching.